Moving a student from one class to another.
Note that at this time, moving a student from one class to another will have the following impact. The student will lose all uncompleted tests from the previous class. The student will be automatically enrolled in existing tests assigned to all students in the new class. The new teacher won't be able to see the student's results from the previous class. The student will lose all completed tests and all previous results. We suggest downloading the student's progress from the report's dashboard before making this change if keeping the results is important. If you do still want to move a student, follow these steps. Select the student's current class and then select View Students. Select the three dots next to the student and then move to another class. Select the new class from the drop-down. Click Move and the student will be moved to the class.